Carolyn Dube here. Oh, what's the play today? Well, today I'm raising a glass of the rainbow in honor of Paint Pouring Palooza. So what is Paint Pouring Palooza? Well, that's a one-day in-person workshop with me where we're going to dive in and make 10 canvases in this day. We are going to try a whole bunch of different techniques, and guess what? It's all about you just coming and being pampered, having everything taken care of so you can simply have fun making your canvases. What that means is everything's included. Well, okay, there's one thing not included, and that's your apron. You need to bring your own apron, but other than that, everything's included, even lunch. So you can just walk in the door and have fun. Now, during this day, we're going to explore pouring mediums, how to mix up concoction that makes you happy, that gives you the results that you want. And you're also going to see several different techniques as well as get the understanding for how different colors go into the cup, why they get added in a certain way, the order that you put them in, how much, all those things impact what your painting looks like. And so if you want to do things like make lots of cells and you want to have paintings like this, you'll know exactly how to do that. If you want to do something that's a little more monochromatic with a little bit of pop, yep, you bet, you can do that too. If you want to build compositions, if you want to do things like this, yes indeed, you'll know how to do this stuff too. If you want to have some dark on it but not have it overpower, you just want to have some little pops of it, you bet, you're going to know that too after this day. Because we're going to be playing and exploring, and we're going to be getting to know what it is you like about paint pouring so that you can make the paintings that you love. And again, I'm going to be there with you the entire way, answering your questions right as it's happening. So when is this all happening? Where is it happening? What are the details? Well, it's going to happen December 1st, and it's going to be in the greater Cincinnati area at the Middletown Pendleton Art Center, which means we're going to have tons and tons of space to spread out, lots and lots of room for us. It's going to be hosted by Glenda Miles, who is a wonderful event coordinator. If you've ever been to her events, you know how much heart goes into those. And when you walk out the door, you're not going to have your 10 paintings with you. They are going to need some time to dry, and so it'll just be a couple of days, and then you'll be able to come back and pick them up from Glenda. And if you're coming from out of town, we can get those shipped to you too. Now, again, all these details you can find at the link down below, all that information, registration, that kind of thing. So if you'd like to join me for paint pouring, just to explore it, to see what it's all about without having to buy a single supply, everything's included, then check it out, and I hope to see you this December.